We are going to be looking at this jump instruction, is the next one that we have. So if we look at our tracing chart, we previously did the jump greater than equal to, now we're at jump 010e. So our current location is 112 and we want to jump to 010e. Our operation is jump and our destination will be the 010e. So let's look for our instructional format. We're going to look at the hand assembly instructions. We're going to go in here, we're going to find our jump. It is an unconditional jump, so it's going to be inside of here. Remember, we use our short. We're going to have this first part right here. So that's where we're going to get our E and our B from. Now what about the F and the A? We know it's an 8-bit displacement, and previously with the 8-bit displacement, we had our current jumping place minus our current address minus our instruction size. For this last part, I'm a little bit unsure. If we look at this jump right here to the same segment, we verify the first part right here. But for this F and this A, which we have here, we know it's correct because this is how we wanted it in here. We have FA, a little bit unsure. Another thing I thought about doing was taking this, what we did previously with our 8-bit displacement. So we have our current jumping spot, so 10E minus our current location, which is 112, and that's going to give us our triple FC. And then from here, I'm going to subtract our operation number, so -2, and that's going to give us FFA. And that's the closest thing I could get. I'm not exactly sure what the other two F's are for because we don't have it in here, but this FA is very close to here. So again, not 100% sure, but that is what I believe we have.